Introducing the all-new Sherpa 100 AC and PD. I'm Cable Green, the product manager here at Goal Zero. This is our ultimate power bank aimed at remote workers and weekend adventurers who need power of laptops in the palm of their hand. The Sherpa 100s are 95 watt hours or 25,600 milliamp hours, which make them safe to travel on any airplane, so that makes them the ultimate power bank for travel. The Sherpa 100 AC has a AC inverter. It's 100 watt with 150 watt surge, which means you can run pretty much your laptops or anything that plugs into like a normal household outlet that draws 100 watts. This device also has two USB-C ports. One is a 60 watt port, one's a 100 watt port. They're both dual role ports, which means you can input and output from them. We also have two USB-A ports. We have a wireless 15 watt wireless charging pad on top. You can charge up to 6 devices basically all at the same time from this device. On the back, we've got an 8mm input port for your Goal Zero solar panels to charge. The display is really nice. From the display, you're able to see input, output, time to full and time to empty with how much power you're either inputting or outputting. With the AC, you get all this plus the 100 watt hours or 95 watt hours worth of storage. With the Sherpa 100 PD, it's very similar. You're just missing the AC port and one of the C dual ports. 3 areas where we've improved on the new Sherpa 100s is our wireless charger is now 15 watts instead of 5 watts, which can lead up to 3 times faster phone charging. We've increased the C port to 100 watt output, which is 60% more than the last unit. And we've also had impact absorbing bumpers for more durability. Another great improvement is the new screen, which is angled, so you can read it by looking down at it without having to pick it up and look directly at the screen to understand what your input and your output is.
We conducted a pilot study with 60 beta testers who used the Sherpa products in their home. The feedback was overwhelmingly positive, 9 out of 10. Would recommend it to a friend. Some positive feedback we received was the display was very informative and easy to read. They loved the fact that you could charge wirelessly as well as from USB-C. Another thing that they love that the Sherpa is lightweight, durable, and has a lot of power for its size. This has allowed us to make our product even better for the Sherpa lawn.